So we are going to proceed and then look through a few of the results of what we have designed, and we shall call it a day. I hope you can go through the weekend and go and pull it through and at least say you can try out a few of these. We have data sets. For those of you who come for training, we shall be able to share with you a few of our data sets. So, some of the results that we need to look at is the collapse design, the burst design. We need to look at the axial loads that have been applied. So just right away from here, we were inputting the design parameters. So we have the design parameters, we have the initial conditions, then we have the total passage which we placed in, then we have the burst loads which we placed in, and then we need C, and then we put in the collapse loads, and we put in the axial loads for each section. So I'm on in one section of the well. So this is our burst design, this is our collapse design. So we can also come here and view, and then view our schematic. We can see how our design looks like. So this is how it looks like. Then we can also come here and look at the different plots, the plots for power pressure, blah blah blah. Then we can also look at the deviation plots. So you can look at the section, this is how it looks like. We can look at the plane view. We can also view the dogleg sovereignty profile. Yes. So basically the results, all these results, you'll be able to view them from here. So that is our schematic. This is what we designed, and here you're trying to do the stress check, so you are able to view the different, how each of the casing, each of these casings is being affected by stress, burst, collapse, axial, all that like we are seeing here. So you have to input all the data for this part so that you can be able to get the right results. So otherwise, thank you very much. I think we end here for the week, and hopefully we can come back next week and start from here. Otherwise, have a great weekend and a great census week. Thank you. We continue.